In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for YouTube SEO. If you're looking to optimize your YouTube channel and increase visibility, then this is the guide for you. Let's dive in and start with the basics of setting up Ubersuggest in Google Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, search for Ubersuggest SEO and Keyword Tool. You'll find an option to add it to Chrome. Simply click on Add to Chrome, followed by Add Extension. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Don't worry, you can use the free version to get started. This extension is vital because it will allow you to see keyword data directly on YouTube, giving you an edge in your video content creation. Now let's head over to YouTube. Open the website and in the search bar, type a topic or keyword that's relevant to your content. For example, you could search for phrases like digital marketing tutorial, fitness tips 2025, or travel vlog. The choice of keywords is crucial as it determines who your audience will be and how easily they can find your videos. Once you've done your search on YouTube, Ubersuggest will present you with valuable data about those keywords. You'll be able to see search volume, which tells you how many people are looking for that term. Another metric you'll see is SEO difficulty, indicating how hard it will be for your content to rank with that keyword. Moreover, you'll get information about the CPC, or cost per click, which is useful if you're considering running ads around those keywords. Lastly, you'll receive suggestions for related keywords, providing you with additional ideas for effective video titles and tags. The next step is to choose the right keywords based on this data. Aim for keywords with a high search volume, but medium or low SEO difficulty. Also, ensure they are directly relevant to your video's topic. For instance, rather than using a broad term like fitness, try something more specific like Home Fitness Tips 2025 or Beginner Workout Plan. With your chosen keywords in hand, it's time to optimize your video. You should incorporate these keywords into your video title, such as Digital Marketing Tips for Beginners 2025. Be sure to mention your main keyword within the first 2 lines of the video description. For tags, incorporate related keywords suggested by Ubersuggest and where possible include keywords naturally in your video's thumbnail and file name, although that last step is optional. Finally, after you publish your video, keep the momentum going by using Ubersuggest's keyword lists or rank tracking features on their website to monitor your progress. Regularly check for trending keywords and update your video titles and tags accordingly to align with current search trends. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your video's visibility, but also ensure it reaches the right audience.